Now, generally, there are three major reasons of blocking the adult website on your Chrome browser. Number one, blocked by your parents or someone similar. Number two, blocked by any kind of organization like the place you work or the school or college. Number three, blocked by the ISP, your internet service provider, or the government. Now, before talking about the solution, just keep in mind that we always request the user, if any website has been blocked by your government, your ISP, or even by your parents, you should follow their terms and conditions. You should follow their policies and avoid watching such kind of website. Alright, now still if you wish to watch these kind of website due to any other reason, so you can start with the basic check by checking your browser settings. So bring up the Chrome browser on your Windows 10 or 11, whichever you are using. Click on the three dot that is on the right in top, and then you will have to click on settings. And in the setting from the left hand side, you will have to click on privacy and security. Then on the right hand side, you will have to look for the security option. Click on it. Now many times you are even not able to watch such kind of content because your safe browsing has been selected to either standard or the enhanced protection. Even you can read about it, what exactly it means. So this is the first try that you can give. In order to access any kind of adult website or similar website, you can choose this protection level to no protection, which is not recommended, but you can select it. Then you can browse any website, but again you can come to the same settings and choose back to standard or the enhanced protection. The part of this safe browsing, what else you can do? Click on the three dot that is on the right in top, and you will have to click on extensions, then click on manage extensions. Now you have to look here for any kind of extension because many people they use such kind of extension to block such kind of website. And if you find any, I don't have here on my end, but if you find, then you can just disable it, toggle it off, and then you can refresh your browser and check back again if this helps you. Additionally, you can also check for any kind of software or any kind of application that is blocking such kind of website. So for that, right click on Windows icon, go to settings. From the left hand side, click on apps, then click on installed apps and look here for each and every application install. And if you find any parental control type application that you feel can block your website, then you will have to uninstall it. Now these are the general solutions that you can try, but in case if these solution doesn't work for you, then probably your DNS service provider, your domain name system is not accepting these kind of query or request of such website, and so you are not able to access them. And for that again, you can come to the security section that is in the privacy and security and click on security again. And below the safe browsing, if you scroll down a bit, you will find an option use secure DNS. So make sure this option is being enabled. Now the changes that you have to make here where it says select DNS provider, and you can see it's been selected to the default. So that probably has been selected to your internet service provider who have set any kind of limitations to access such kind of website. So what you will have to do, simply click on the drop down and choose any other DNS service provider like the Cloudflare, OpenDNS, or the Next DNS. Now what will happen? If you choose the Cloudflare, so the DNS server will be changed and then it will start accepting the request of the website, of the IP address that basically you are not able to browse using that DNS address before. Alright, so this is the second solution that you can try. And now let's say if the method 1 and method 2 also doesn't work for you, then you will have to go with the final solution, that is using the VPN. Now, most probably the chances are that your websites are being blocked by the government or by the ISP, and that basically happened because of your current location. So if any website has been blocked for your country, probably you're not able to use them even after changing the DNS and making some kind of changes with the security. So in order to find out the safest, fastest, and the free VPN, what you can do, open up a new tab in your Chrome browser, type here Chrome Store. Click on Chrome Web Store, and here in the search you have to type free VPN, and it will give you the list of all the VPN extension available for your Chrome browser. You can go with any one of them by checking their rating by the people how much they have rated. But the one that I would recommend you, if you scroll down, somewhere you may find the Hola VPN. This one. And if you click on it, you will find that around 368,000 of people have rated this as 4-point star rating. And you can see the total number of users here. So this is the one that I highly recommend you. It says Hola VPN your website and blocker. So click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. And once it will be added, you will have to click on the puzzle icon that is on the top and your VPN will be listed here. On the right of it, click on this pin icon so that it should be pinned on the extension bar. And in order to connect, simply you will have to click on this Hola VPN icon and then change the location to any other country. So let's say if you are on a place like China or any other country where the websites are being blocked, then try choosing to different location like United Kingdom, Germany, Canada or Australia. Connect it, and after connecting to that VPN, then you can try browsing those kind of website and probably you will be getting the solution using one of the method I shared in this video. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully if you found the solution, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.